Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss same chapter in rating function. Right? Now, are you getting my voice? Sound okay? Okay. Now, series. Do you have any question from the midterm exam? Do you understand all questions? Any problem in any question? Did you see the solution? Any problem there? Where? No problem? Allah Sabir. Okay, let me explain this. Look over here, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. See this one. Let me explain that first. Question number 2 was this. Look here. Question number 2 was this one. X plus 1 equal to 1. Oh, sorry, x plus 1 equal to x. This was the question number 1. You have to find solution. Solution of this question. Okay. So first, if you take look here, if you take here x equal to 0, if you take x equal to 0, then what will happen? See this. You take here x equal to 0. Okay. Now look here. Here x मौजूद. Here x मौजूद. दूसरा यानी both sides same. So x0 here, 0 plus 1, okay, and equal to other 0. This is x0 here. Now see, left side come 0 plus 1 yani 1, and right side 0. It's not same. Okay, this x equal to 0 is not solution. The Mafi solution. It is. And after that, look over here. X plus 1 equal to x here. Okay. If you take x equal to 1, now see, other x. This is 1 and plus 1 here. Okay. And this equal to this x yani 1. You take here 1. Now look this. This one. 1 plus 1 yani 1. And this equal to other 1. Okay. It's okay. It means x equal to 1 is solution. You understand or not? Here both sides lazim, both sides equal for that number. You understand this now? Yes. Number. Here. Yes, input both side. X left side मौजूद and x right side मौजूद. So when you put x equal to 0, so you will put left and right both. And check both sides same wala मुख्तलिफ. If you put x equal to 1, then both sides same. Okay. Yes. Any other question from the midterm? Do you have any question from midterm? Ask me. Last question. No, not online. Only offline. Which question? Which question do you want? Last question. The drawing needs to be in output. The last question, that was logic gate. Only that was logic gate. Yes, only the Sambyani. मौजूद in the their solution. See the solution. You have to write only there मौजूद expression. That expression you have to draw only Rasam Bayani, only graph, nothing else. Then you can draw the circuit. Okay. Construct the logical circuit. Yani you have to draw the logical circuit. That was the question. Construct means what? What is the meaning of construct? Construct yani make. Construct yani make. You don't see the questions here. When I solve questions logic gate, chapter number 4, logical gates. You confusing the question. Okay. Any other question? Right. And now come to here. Last lecture. Last lecture I discussed generating function. So I told you some rules here. I told you remember the table. Okay. The table मौजूद here. If this AK, this is 1, then this is generating function GX. Okay. If here C yani any rakam hakiki, then this is the generating function. If AK, this AK is K, this is generating function. It is K plus 1, sequence K plus 1, yani AK hada, K plus 1, and this is generating function, right like that. If K darb K plus 1, this is sequence, then write generating function this way, 2x upon 1 minus x power 3. If this one, R power K yani 2 power K, 3 power K, 5 power K, like this. This R power K yani here. It is 2 power K here मौजूद. यानी R is हावी 2. Then generating function this one. R is hina. 1 minus Rx. Okay. Last lecture I discussed this. Now come to the next. These are all questions I have discussed last. Find the generating function. Okay. Now come over here. See this. This question now. Find the sequence hada. Okay. Having generating function, this one. Hada generating function मौजूद. You have generating function. Then you have to write sequence. Okay. Sequence yani what? Sequence yani this. Sequence equal to this way. You have to write this way. Sequence yani here. Okay, and this bracket. Other sequence. Okay. Cap write sequence. Look here. Sequence yani this. Here. This is generating function. Generating function hada. Talata ala 1 minus x. By which rule you will write this? AK isavi C. Hada yani talata. C. If this sequence is talata, then generating function this. See the table. Here I told you. See this table. Table must remember. If hina मौजूद so, if hina मौजूद talata. Here मौजूद talata. Okay? And hina is the talata. Hina is the talata. See talata yani talata divided by 1 minus x. So if here 3, then you will write this one. 3 divided by 1 minus x. Okay. Now look. See the question now. Here मौजूद generating function 3 divided by 1 minus x, यानी sequence for this part, sequence for that is b هذا ثلاثة. بعدين هنا موجود سالب هذا. Okay, look, what is this? واحد على 1 minus 7x. This is 7 power k. Look here, 7 موجود. r power k. This is same like r power k هذا यानी 7 power k. Okay, 7 power k, then this generating function वाहिद आला 1 minus rx यानी 7k, right? So this is 7 power k, this sequence. So this is 7 power k. Okay, this is the sequence like this way. You understand or not? Sequence talata this, generating function this 3 divided by 1 minus x, and if sequence this 7 power k, then generating function this 1 upon 1 minus this 7x, right? Okay. And here maujood this is here minus, mistakes are there. Here minus maujood, look here minus maujood, so here is a minus. Okay. This is not plus, this is minus, right? Here hada talata 7, and this 7 power here 7 maujood. Okay. 7 power k, this is 7 power k yani hina is 7, right? So if you join both generating function, sequence for this 3 and sequence for this 7 power k, and hina maujood minus other sequence, right? This way sequence yani large in this of this bracket, this is sequence. Okay, generating function this, right? Minus because here minus maujood, the question maujood here minus. Look over here, question maujood here minus. Right? Look over here. See this question. Last lecture I discussed if sequence maujood, then kf write generating function. Okay, and today if generating function maujood, then kf write sequence yani opposite x, right? So here find the sequence ak having the generating function, the generating function hada 1 upon 1 minus 5x and plus 1 upon 1 minus x terbiya. So what is sequence here for this question? How to write sequence? Over here मौजूद generating function 1 upon 1 minus 5x. So 1 upon 1 minus 5x यानी this sequence 5 power k, 5 is here 5 power k यानी r power k. You have to recognize this 1 upon 1 minus 5x यानी 5 power k. So this is 5 power k, this sequence 5 power k. And here मौजूद plus, right here plus. Okay. Now see this one. Second one, 1 upon 1 minus x terbiya. If you remember the table, this is the generating function for this. This is the generating function for this k plus 1, sequence k plus 1. If you remember the table, this is the generating function for this k plus 1. Okay, right? So here k plus 1. Okay. use your audio, please. Who is using audio? Don't use audio. Abdul Malik. Don't use audio, disturbing here. Right? If you want to ask any question, then use audio. Right? Okay, so can you see this? Any problem here? Right. Now, see this question now. Find the sequence, okay, having the generating function this, dx equal to this one. Okay. It's very simple. You have to remember only table. If you remember table, then very simple. You can write this. So, first you look over here. Generating function is here 1. Here written gx equal to x square plus 1 and divided by 1 minus x power 3. This is written generating function here. Here you have to x square plus 1 and divided by 1 minus x power 3. Here you have to break this. If you break this, is same equal to this 1 upon 1 minus x and plus 2x divided by 1 minus x power 3. Okay. If you hal hada, you will get this same thing. The question mojud here, question given here this way. Hada mojud in the question, so no need to solve. You have to write generating function. Here mojud 1 upon 1 minus x. What is if generating function is this? If sequence is this Wahid, you know how to write sequence? Sequence equal to, see this first part 1 upon 1 minus x, yani sequence hada. If sequence Wahid, then 1 upon 1 minus x. See the table. Okay. Now here mojud plus. Plus. See this one 2x divided by 1 minus x power 3. If generating function is this, generating function is this, generating function is this, then sequence this one. Ak plus 1. See the table. Ak plus 1, then generating function this one. Mojud in the table. Okay. This will be kk plus 1. K the k plus 1. Just you have to remember the table. Then you will write alatul. Is equal to what? Kk plus 1. Here plus 1. Here this open here. No problem. You can open this way. See this. Another come. K darb k. K darb k yani k darbiya. Plus k darb wahid yani k. Plus the class baden hada 1. 1 yani 1 is here. You can write this way. K darb k yani k darbiya and k darb wahid yani k. Baden plus 1. Hada plus 1. You can write this way, you can write this way. Both are same. Okay? Both are same. Any question? Any question here? now look here. So this is the generating function. It's very simple. This is the generating function, and it is generating function is chapter number 7. And see, here is nothing. Here only this table you have to remember. Remember this table, and you can write easily. Okay. Sequence मौजूद, you can write generating function. Generating function मौजूद, you can write sequence. Okay. This is only two types of question here. Here, if generating function, if sequence here मौजूद, you have to write generating function. Okay. And if generating function मौजूद in the question, you have to write sequence. Okay. Forward and backward only. This chapter 7 is very easy. Here you can do, here no confusion. If you remember the table, then no confusion, you can do very easily. Right? Now after that, let me start this. If you have any question, then ask me. Okay, I will explain. Otherwise, I will start this now. Chapter 8, graph theory. I think this chapter, graph theory, you have studied in computer. You know about graph theory. Okay, it's very simple chapter. Yes, chapter 7 only generating function, nothing else. Chapter 7 यानी generating function. You have to write gx sequence मौजूद, उक्तुब gx. If gx मौजूद, उक्तुब sequence. This is the question in chapter number 7, right? Very simple. Now chapter number 8. Do you have any question now? Ask me. Okay. So now look over here. Chapter number 8, that is graph theory. Graph, you know graph. Graph means what is the Arabic? Rasam Bayani, yani graph. This is graph theory. Okay. See the definition. Graph here in this chapter 8. Graph. What is the meaning of graph here? Rasam Bayani. Graph G. You write graph yani you will write G. Graph means this G. Okay. Not by G. Graph consists of a set V called the set of nodes. Okay. Called the set of nodes. Points or vertices. Okay. So this is graph. And how to make graph? Graph consists of these nodes. Graph consists of this V nodes of the graph and a set of E called the set of edges of such that each edge E belongs to E is associated with ordered or unordered pair of elements of V. Okay. So this graph consists of this G consists of this V yani node. Okay. And this edge yani side, this one consists of this graph G consists of two sets. Set V is called vertex, yani nodes. This V is called, you can say V points, vertices or nodes. Okay. And this E is edge yani side, you know the side. Okay. I will tell you now what is the meaning. Suppose if I write here, if I write this one, if other Rasam Bayani मौजूद, other मौजूद graph, This is G. If this is G, other graph. Okay. So other point, and other point here. If this is A and this is B, then this is C. Okay. So this A, B, and C. This is called V vertices or nodes. Vertices. V equal to come A, B, and C. This is V. Okay. And what is side here? Side hada side. AB, this AB and this BC and this AC, other side. Side yani edge yani this. A means hada. A means this. See this here. From here to here. From here to here. AB. AB. This is edge. Another edge. This one. From here to here. BC. BC. This is edge. Okay. And another edge from here to here. This is AC. Other edge. Okay. AB, BC, and AC. These are the edges. These are these edges. Yani edge. Okay. And this V means what? V means you can say nodes. Nodes. You can say points. And you can say points are vertices. You can see this. You can say these points. You can say these vertices. And other edges. AB, BC, and AC. These are the edges. And these are the nodes. Points A, B, C. Okay. So this graph yani hada kamil. Okay. Graph consists of vertices and edges. So this graph consists of this vertices and edges. This is the meaning here. This is the definition. Right? Now see another definition. There are some points to remember. So here the set VG is called the vertex set. And EG is called the edge set. It is denoted by G equal to this way or this way. Okay. If edge E belongs to E, is associated ordered pair to B. Edge E belongs to this A, yani see this here. This A भी मौजूद here in A. BC मौजूद here in E. AC मौजूद here in E. This E is set of edges. Right? Okay. So before going ahead, look over here. See this. I have written here. This example. First, you look over here. This example. This is graph. Graph yani G. This is graph. This is A. And this is B. And this is C here. Right? Here. This is मौजूद here D. Right? So, this example here, how many nodes? Nodes equal to what? Nodes yani you can say V. Number of A, B, C, and here hada मौजूद D. 4 nodes. Okay. So you write this. This means VG. VG yani number. This VG yani kam kullo number. Number of vertices. So here 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 4. If you write VG, yani number of vertices in this graph. VG yani number of vertices. Okay. Now see this one. Ages. How many ages are here? Ages yani this E. How many ages? You can write this way. You can write this way. Look. AB. Okay? AB. BC. And AC. Right? AB, BC, and AC. You can write ages this way. You can write also. If you write this, BA, BA, AB, AB yani here to here. Other. Okay? You can write BA, BA from here to here. BA, the same thing, the same age. Other. Same. You can say AB or you can say BA. Okay? And here you can say AB and you can say BA. Same thing. Here BC. BC yani BC from here to here. Other. You can say opposite CB. You can say EC, you can say CB. No problem, same thing. And look this AC. AC yani from here to here. Okay? You can say this CA. CA. Same thing. Okay. So how many edges are here? Edges come here. Edges you can write E EG. EG yani is number of edges in this graph. Now we come Talata. Talata edges and here VG. VG means urban nodes. So you will have. Okay. Right. Yes, you can say AC, you can say CA. You can say AB, you can say BA. Okay. But this condition will be changed when graph is directed. I will discuss the directed graph. This condition will be changed. Here no direction. Here no direction. Here you can say here A here मौजूद, B here मौजूद. This A. This one you can say AB. You can say AB. This from here to here. Okay. You can say BA. This one. The same. Other same from AB yani here to here. And BA yani also here to here. The same. So you can say AB, you can say BA. No problem here. But if graph is directed, I will discuss what is directed graph. Then this condition will be changed. Okay. V vertex, yeah, vertex. B yani vertex. Hada. B yani vertex. His number. Hada. This vertex, this vertex, this vertex, and this vertex. Hada V. V. Nodes. You can say vertex. Look. You can say vertex. Vertex. You can say nodes. And you can say points. Talata. These are the synonyms. Vertex, nodes, and points. Okay. After that, this E edges. Right? Okay. So this is an undirected graph. Undirected. Yani here see this rasam bayani direction maafi मौजूद. This is called undirected graph. But here, if you see this one, this rasam bayani. Here मौजूद in a direction. Here मौजूद here direction. Here मौजूद here direction. This is called directed graph. Directed. See the difference. This is directed graph. This is called this rasam bayani yani graph. Here मौजूद A, here B, nodes. Okay, and here موجود the same Rasam Bayani like that. This is the graph. Okay? This is graph and this is also graph. Here A, this is B, and this is C. Look over here. If here موجود this way, and here موجود this way, and here موجود this way. Okay. So this graph is undirected. And this graph is directed. Here موجود this ishara. How you can go from A to C. This is called directed graph. Directed graph. This is directed graph and this is undirected graph. Look, first you look over here. This number 1 graph and this number 2. Here V equal to come. V equal to this A, B and C. Talata vertex. Okay. And here V equal to come. Here V equal to also Talata. A, B and C. Talata vertices. Talata vertex. Okay. So here if you write VG, come kullo number of vertices. Talata. And here come kullo number of vertices. Talata. Right. Here age. How to write this age? E equal to, here you can write this way, AB and here BC and here AC. This also you can write here. Here is equal to this. Here be careful. You will write this way. You will write this way. This way. Ada ishara. A to C and here ishara. A to B and here ishara. B to C. This way. So you will write this way. This way here. A B. Then BC. And here this ishara. A to C. AC. You will write this way. Okay? So in the directed graph, A is if direction موجود, you will write this way. But here, look, here you can write AB and you can write same BA. BA. You can write this way AB and again BA. No problem. This AB you can write BA. And here what? AC you can write CB. And here you can AC you can write CA. See this. This AB you can write BA. BC you can write CB. And AC you can write CA. Because of the undirected graph. In a direction maafi maujood. But here, in this graph, directed graph, in a direction maujood. So you will write this way only. A to this way, A to C, yani AC. And here, A to B, yani AB. And here, B to C, yani BC. You can write only this AB, BC, CA. Here you cannot write BA, CB, NAC. You understand this? Okay. Okay, so today I will stop here. Any question? Can you hear me? This time is not working. I think this is hang. Okay, no problem. Lecture finished. No problem. And now this. Not working this. Okay, so today I will stop here. See you at next lecture, inshallah. Assalamu. Goodbye. Next lecture I will discuss again. Yes, I will start the same chapter, graph theory.